focus. It's focus. Get it? Focus. Oh. Hi merbabies, welcome back to my channel. Anyways, did y'all miss me? Y'all miss me, did? And for those that don't know who I am, hi, I'm Adrian and I make pointless makeup tutorials on here when I have time. And since we're in this whole, you know, quarantine thingy situation, why not film a video when I'm at home? Okay, I took off my shirt because I like to do my makeup when I don't have clothes on. Because you know, makeup gets everywhere and I didn't got time to clean all that mess. So I'm going to be using Jaclyn Hill palette. Ooh. Now hopefully I'm in focus. Am I in focus? Please tell me if I'm in focus. Anyway, I'm going to be using the color Jade. Really vibrant blue color since I don't always do colorful looks on here because y'all hating. So I'm going to just go ahead and just tap the color. Yes. I'm just going to tap the color because I want that color to show up. I honestly don't care if I get any fallout. That's why I do my eyes first because I don't have to worry about fixing it later. So, you're going to slightly blend the color. So basically, you're just gonna keep doing this process. It's really repetitive, so go ahead and take your time. Ooh. Oh wait, no. Oh, black with this green color. Slightly darken in the corner. Lancome, thank you for hooking it up, girl. You're a real one. So go ahead and make a straight line. Like that. Once you're done cleaning up the edges, we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. Because it's a drag look. It's not a regular date look. You wouldn't go out in public looking like this, would you? No. I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath palette. The other shit. Oh my god. Look at how you open this. It's so dumb. Oh my god. So open it. Wow. Now it just adds that. This is the reason why I do my eyes first, because you look at this, look at this, look at this, all this fallout. But I'm going to be covering my beard real quick, and then I may or may not film the part where I feminize my face. If you have dry skin and you cannot stand a cakey face, seriously, this is the foundation for you, honey. Get it, please. Okay. Be using the contour kit by Anastasia. Please don't mind the messiness of this palette. It's been through it, just like me. Like, seriously. So I'm gonna be using this shade to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, and everything else. So here we go. Voila. Another line. Voila. And you go up. Blend it upwards. Get out. Oh my god, get out. This is, oh my god. This part doesn't really matter. Like that. I don't usually bake anymore since I have dry skin. I don't want my under eye to look cakey and to look dusty, busty, ugly. Okay, that's not cute. Like, if you have dry skin, I advise you to not bake underneath your eyes. It's fine to set on your concealer and stuff, but don't bake. I only bake on my cheeks area, and that's pretty much it. If y'all go through my old videos, y'all, oh my god, I don't know, like, what was I thinking? P.S Love a highlighter. Oh my god. And usually I just apply on the cheeks. Just makes everything cohesive. And it's like, hi haters, what's good? Hey, huh? So, ooh. Well, dominatrix and mix it with birthday slut. Oh my god, these names are to die for. Okay. So from this, so ooh, she cute. So this is the final look. Ooh. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me doing my makeup during this quarantine situation. Yeah, but pretty much my whole room is a mess right now. Yeah, this is not cute. But this is the final look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, but I don't use Twitter that much. But yeah, on Instagram, y'all can follow me on Instagram. My links will be right here, hey, right there. Go ahead, click it. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time with a new video, and always slay and stay fierce.